What up, everybody? Today we're going to be playing SlimeRancher, and this is going to be a part 2 video to the first video I made. So we're going to pick up on the same spot we left off. So we're going to look at the mission. No, I'm not going to do that mission. We're going to run around, collect, we got to collect quarks from our guys here. I don't think these guys eat carrots. Maybe they do. Let's see. Where you at? Look at me. You want a carrot? Do you have any carrots? Do you eat carrots? Wait, do any of them eat carrots? No. I don't think they do. Let's find another fruit we could grow. Let's see if these guys, if they'll eat these. So yeah, we'll go here. Activate garden. If this doesn't work, we'll have to keep trying stuff. You don't seem to want to eat. How about? Look at me. Wait, they are eating. What the? I don't know what I need the fruits for. So will I get back like just demolish? Nah. We'll keep just in case. So I just got some of their porks. So we'll go cash these in. I need some more money. And just go out and collect as many plorps as I can. Even though these pink ones don't give you much. But we need some more money for them we could collect. Get out of here, of course. Get out of here, Selby Slime. Oh! It disappeared! What the? I almost caught that. I don't know how you're supposed to catch that.
Did you ever wash your sheets last week when you were on the boat?
Sorry about that noise, guys.
Because remember, I keep washing my thing and I'll do it right now.
There's something in there now. But it would be like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yesterday.
Okay, as soon as you wash it, then I'll do it.
Oh, let's just keep running through here. And what the? Oh, crate. Like this. Break that open. What's here? Nothing here that I need. So let's keep on going. Here are some guys. Is this plorp still here? Okay, but we don't need that one. We need this. If anybody knows where like a rat slime is, I need to know. Because when I'm off of YouTube playing this game, yeah, I'm pretty far in. Yeah, guys, if you want me to play any other games, just comment down below. Yeah, make sure to leave a little like on this video too. Don't forget about that. And subscribe. And we'll just keep on, and if you guys want more parts to this, we'll keep on playing them. Ooh, what's in there? Ooh, mango. What the? Mint. Alright, we're gonna get rid of the puddle slime. Actually, we're gonna get rid of the plorps. Get the puddle slime. actually, no, get rid of you, get rid of the puddle slime. We can get the puddle slime a different time. We need money, so if we find plorps or any guys that need slimes that makes me some money, we'll grab them. Oh, an H.
Don't just throw it on the floor in there.
When I first began exploring this land, this rate, I reckon that it won't be long before the greedy completes overtakes far range. What the?
What?
Yarn. So yeah, we'll keep, whoa! Oh yeah, it's just a yarn. Oh, they're dropping them over here. Oh, more mangoes. So yeah, I think we're good for here. Oh, I can't get over there. So we're gonna go over to here. What the heck? Oh, sure, I'll take some blue slimes. So yeah, now we're gonna go to the part where I can leave here. So yeah, let me just get over there. Just gotta run through here without getting hit by any of these guys, because these guys can do some damage when you have this lower health. We'll take a honeycomb dude. Oh no, spit out him. Take the honeycomb dudes. We'll take them. Oh crap. Oh crud. Get out. Pick up you. We're gonna have to save him. Well, oh god. Run. Because there's these weird, dangerous slime creatures here, and we don't want to be around them. So this guy's, oh, do we need you? And we already have him. I'll take one of you. So, oh, plorp. Don't really need we don't really need slimes right now. We need plorps. We'll get a couple of them. These guys. So I know they make some money. So we'll just grab one of those. Run into my teleporter here. So now it's night. We need a mango tree. So I guess it is good that I kept this. So we're just gonna sleep for tonight and just wait a couple nights. Hopefully make some money. Sleeping until morning. Yeah, we're gonna go check up on my plants. Yes, it is not done yet, but we will. Oh god, forgot that this ain't high at all. So let's collect crap. You can stay in. I don't need these I got plorps. I need to get some money and make higher walls. So all I really need right now. How much is it for higher walls? No! Oh crap. Oh my god, I didn't even get them. Are they out? No, they're not. Where is he at? No, you're not gonna eat all my slimes. Run. Shoot him off. Eat him, yeah, you can eat him. Just not my good dudes. Stop it. Stop reproducing. Ah! Where's the other guy? Get over here. No, you're not gonna make more. Get over here. Get over here. Did I get rid of that one? No, I didn't get rid of that guy. Get over here. Get out. Okay, we got rid of them. Those guys, we hate those dudes. So let's just pick up a bunch of these. Oh no, oh, they ate all of our, oh crap. Only have this guy left. 1, 4, here you go. Eat that. You want it? Look at me. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. You ate it? Get out. Fine, you could go in that other guy for now. I'll feed you carrots. But I don't really care about that guy. I really only care about this dude. There it is. So what? Wait, did I? Oh, come on! I just bought high walls. Alright, so we're just going to. Oh wait, did I put the solar thing yet on it? The solar thing? Oh, the solar shield isn't on it yet. Alright, I need to get money. Well, not enough. Close though. Close. Oh yes, just suck up these. Yep, give me that. Give me all your guys' plorks. Oh crap. Behind me, where'd it go? Over here. Oh no, you ain't eating my mangoes. Or whatever they said. Yeah, minty mango. You are not eating that. Alright, so we have enough. We're gonna put a solar shield in one with high walls. We're gonna put these foster slimes in there. But they don't eat this stuff. They might. I don't think they eat. What did he just eat? Did he just eat something? What do you eat? You eat this? Oh! Oh, he can just eat mangoes for now. Oh wait, put all the phosphorus slimes in and collect you. I need to get everything out of here. These carrots need to get out. Carrots, get out, carrots. Yeah, you can have all the carrots. You have carrots. I don't really care about this guy. You have all the carrots. I care about this guy because this guy will actually make me money. Crap. Okay, stay inside there. I'm gonna go sell this. If you guys are still in there, I can get them an air net. Depends how much an air net is. If it's like $4.50, I'm not gonna get it. So air net, $4.25. Yep, eat. You all need to eat. Eat. You all need to eat. I said eat. You hungry? How about you eat? Give me food. Eat it, eat. Alright, no, he's not hungry. So right now we're gonna go sleep for a little, let them not grow, but like, give me some plorps for all the food I gave them, and then we'll start a mission. Oh, so we will see if we can do this minute, if possible. Studying thing. So we will collect this stuff, and we will leave you guys off there. Bye, guys. Make sure you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.